Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how you can measure the sound level of your environment, of your background sound, for example. So well, first you have to be connected with your AirPods to your iPhone or any other iOS device. Next you have to open Control Center and you have to enable this option, it's hearing. So if you don't have this icon right here on the Control Center, let me show you how to reach. So you have to open the settings. Next you have to find Control Center. I'm going to remove it right now. So you will find hearing in this place. So we have to tap on the plus to add this shortcut to our Control Center, then just go back. As you can see, it appears here. So tap once and then put one of the AirPod to the ear. So I'm going to make it with the left one. As you can see, we are connected, and right now we can use the live listen. So take a look. And right now we can check the loudness on our background noises, for example, in the decibels. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.